In this video, I'll show you how to follow on Instagram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. There are a lot of amazing and wonderful content creators here on Instagram, right? And if for any reasons you love to follow on Instagram, I want to just show you what you're gonna do, right? So let's say I want to follow. I can just come on here. Let me say I want to follow. I think I'll search for Yamal, right? He's one of my favorite football players. So I think he has 27.9 million followers, right? So this is Lamine Yamal, right? So for you to be able to follow someone on Instagram, you're gonna see this follow button right here, right? So click on the follow. So yeah, I think I'm currently following Yamal, and I can just come on here and yeah. So this is basically So this is basically how you can follow on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the next one.